Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are talking about the Parkinson disease pathology. Parkinson disease pathology. Parkinson disease is the neurodegenerative disease. Parkinson disease is the neurodegenerative disease. In the Parkinson disease, there is the hypokinetic movement. The movement of the person is reduced. There is the hypokinetic movement due to the loss of the dopaminergic neuron from the substantia nigra. Due to the loss of dopaminergic neuron from the substantia nigra. Clinically, their diminished facial expression, and this is called mask-like face, and there is stop posture, slowing of voluntary movement, of voluntary movement, pill rolling tremor, There may be also another name called acute Parkinson syndrome. In the acute Parkinson syndrome, there is the destruction of the neuron, and due to MPTP, acute Parkinson syndrome. In the acute Parkinson syndrome, there is destruction of the neuron due to MPTP. MPTP synthesize the batches of opioid meperidine, called meperidine. Another study suggests that pesticide exposure increases the risk of Parkinson disease. Pesticide exposure increase the risk of Parkinson disease. The causes of Parkinson disease. The causes of Parkinson disease. Mostly the Parkinson disease are sporadic. But there may be the genetic history. Number one is the autosomal dominant Parkinson disease. Due to autosomal dominant Parkinson disease. In the autosomal dominant Parkinson disease, there is mutation in the alpha synuclein. Alpha synuclein is a major component of the Lewy body. They first appear in the medulla, brain stems, the limbic structure, and then in the neocortex. There is alpha synuclein. This alpha synuclein is a major component of Lewy body. Lewy bodies nowadays are the hallmark of Parkinson disease, and other genes are involved that are LRRK2, but they are less commonly involved in the development of Parkinson disease. Number 2 is the mitochondrial dysfunction. In mitochondrial dysfunction, there is autosomal recessive Parkinson disease. Autosomal recessive Parkinson disease, there is protein involved called DJ1. The protein DJ1 and PINK1 and Perkin. These protein, the genes for these protein, there is mutation in the gene for these protein. The DJ1 has a multiple cellular role, including actin is a transcriptional factor, transcription regulator, and oxidative stress role in the effects. PINK1 is a kinase that degraded in mitochondria. Mutation in these genes for protein DJ1 and PINK1 and Perkin has autosomal recessive Parkinson disease, and there is mitochondrial dysfunction. These protein degraded to clear the mitochondria, and there is mitochondrial dysfunction in the autosomal recessive Parkinson disease develops. Now we are talking about dementia with Lewy body. Dementia with Lewy body. Dementia with Lewy bodies. About 10 to 15% of individuals with Parkinson disease develop dementia with advancing age. Only with advancing age, 10 to 15% develop dementia. Of the advancing age pupil, there is the hallucination, prominent frontal signs. The immunohistochemical staining for alpha synuclein reveal the presence of abnormal neuritis that contain aggregated protein called levoneuritis. That is abnormal neuritis. Abnormal neuritis. In this abnormal neuritis, Lewy body are seen, and they are called levoneuritis. Levoneuritis. There is depigmentation of the substantia nigra and locus coeruleus. Depigmentation station of substantia nigra and nucleus ceruleus. Impaired with the relative preservation of the cortex, hippocampus, and amygdala. The relative preservation of the hippocampus, amygdala. Amygdala are involved in regulating the mood mostly. Some studies suggest that alpha-synuclein in the cortex is more important than the Lewy body. Alpha-synuclein in cortex for finding of Parkinson's disease is more important than the Lewy body.